Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to alter the article of association of the company, right? So any company who want to alter the article of association, right? So it shall be alter as per the provisions of section 14 of the Companies Act 2013 and as per the rules of Companies Incorporation Rules 2014. Company can alter the article of association by way of addition, deletion, modification, or substitution, or any other way. Right? Every alteration made in the article of association shall be noted in every copy of MOA or AOA. Right? So for the how to alter the article of association and the steps for the alteration is given hereunder. Right? In first step, the board of directors will hold the meeting of board of directors as per the section 173 and as per SS1 to the alter of article of association of a company by giving the notice of at least 7 days. Right. Thereafter, in step second, hold the board meeting and at the board meeting, uh, uh, present the resolution in respect of alteration of the AOA and get the approval of regarding the article of association by the board of director. And thereafter, the board of director will fix the time, date, and venue of the general meeting and authorizing any director or CS for sending a notice to the members of the company. Thereafter, in step third, the directors of the company, the person who has authorized to issue the notice, shall issue the notice at least 21 clear days before the actual date of EGM, and the company can call the EGM on the shorter notice, right? If the at least majority number and 95% of such part of rate of share capital of company giving right to vote, right, had given their consent, right, and the notice of the general meeting will be given to the all of the directors, members, and auditors of the company, right. Thereafter, in step 4, the company will hold the general meeting and check the quorum and whether auditor is present or not, then leave of absence is granted or not, right, and pass a special resolution and approval of alteration in article of association. Thereafter, passing of the special resolution, right. In step 5, filing of the form with the ROC. The form MGT 14 will be filed with the ROC within 30 days of passing the special resolution, right. And the certified true copy of the special resolution must be attached along with the form MGT 14. Thereafter, whether mistake in article of association can rectify by the court. A mistake, whether clerical or other mistake in the article of association, can only be rectified by altering the in the article of association by the special resolution in accordance with the section. It cannot be set right by application to court, right? Given in this judgment, right? So we have already discussed regarding the how to alter the article of association, right, and what is the process, what is the regulatory provisions for the uh, alteration in the article of association, right. So this video is very helpful for understanding how to alter the article of association, right. Thereafter, we also discuss the what is the practical problems generally person faces during the alteration in the article of association, right. First, practical problem is, can we amend just one clause or do we adopt a whole new set of articles? Like, you can amend a single clause. If you want to amend the single clause in the article of association, you can amend a single clause. However, practically, if your AOA is old, it means the AOA is as per the Companies Act 1956, right? It is highly recommended to adopt a new set of articles as per the Companies Act 2013 by adopting the table F of the Companies Act 2013. The second query is that it is mandatory to get the AOA certified by the professional for filing. Yes, form MGT 14 is a non-STP form, and it requires digital signature of the practicing CS, CS, or CMA to certify the digital copy, right? Thereafter, but if we miss the filing of MGT 14 within 30 days of deadline, if you have missed the 30 days timeline to file the form MGT 14 by paying the additional fees, right? For very long delays, you need to apply for continuation of delay to central government. Thereafter, in what is the fourth FAQs? Can we increase the liability of members through AOA amendment? No. अंडर सेक्शन 2 सब सेक्शन 2 आप ऐसा कोई भी अमेंडमेंट नहीं लेके आ सकते जो कि क्या है, मेंबर को फोर्स करे टू टेक मोर शेयर्स और इंक्रीज दियर फाइनेंशियल लाइबिलिटी, जब तक कि सभी मेंबर्स ने अपनी जो कंसेंट है राइटिंग के में नहीं दी हो बिफोर और आफ्टर द अमेंडमेंट. फिफ्थ एफएक्यू इज फिजिकल मीटिंग मैंडेटरी फॉर पासिंग ए स्पेशल रेजोल्यूशन, राइट? ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है. You can conduct extraordinary general meeting by video conferencing or other audio visual means, by provided you follow the specific MCA circulars regarding transcripts and recorded voting. In sixth FAQ, how do entrenchment provision work in e-form? अगर आप जो है entrenchment का clause ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो you must specifically mention this in form MGT 14. Here you are mandatorily mention this point in form MGT 14. There is a dedicated radio button field to declare अगर आप जो है entrenchment का provision लेके आना चाहते हो. Do we need to pay stamp duty or amended AOA? जो most of the states होते हैं वहां पर क्या है, सिंपली जो अगर ऑथराइज कैपिटल बढ़ाते हैं तो वहां पर क्या है, ये लेके आना होता है. अगर आपको कोई भी स्टैम्प ड्यूटी पे नहीं करनी होती है अगर आप आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन के अंदर अल्टरेशन करना का प्लान कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द एक्सप्लेनेटरी स्टेटमेंट एंड इट इज mandatory? Yes, under section 102, any special business like amending the AOA, the explanatory statement is mandatory requirement. If you are passing a special resolution as per section 102 of the Companies Act 2013, it will contain the detailed reason for the changing in the article of association or alteration in the article of association, right? Ninth FAQ is, does the ROC issue a certificate of amendment for AOA? No. Unlike change in the name or MOA object clause, ROC जो है यूजुअली फ्रेश सर्टिफिकेट इशू नहीं करता है. अगर आपका चालान अप्रूव्ड लिखा जाता है MGT 14 का, इट मींस योर अल्टरेशन हैज बीन इफेक्टिव. The 10th FAQ is can we amend the AOA to restrict the transfer of shares in private limited company? No, you cannot amend. In fact, section 268 requires private company to have an article that restricts the transfer of shares, right? But you can amend the AOA to add a right to refusal or tag along or drag along rights to protect the existing shareholders, right? So this is the practical FAQ which we have already discussed regarding the alteration of the article of association, and this is very helpful for if you are altering the article of association. Thank you guys for watching this video. Still, if you have any doubt regarding that, you can also connect on the number given on the screen. Thank you.